Here at A1MEC Limited, we can change your hand-marked fire alarm surveys and turn them into a professional AutoCAD drawing with your logo from £25 in just 24 hours. It's true what they say, a picture paints 1,000 words, and so does a professional fire alarm drawing done by A1MEC. It gives your clients confidence that you're taking their installation, large or small, seriously, even at the earliest stage. We can then work with you to turn these initial drawings into approved installation designs, as fitted drawings and zone plans. We're a small family-run business. Email design@a1mec.co.uk. Telephone 02032 863 469.